Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, April 14th. So for today, our Do Now will be Typing Club. You guys all set it up last Monday, so you should be good to go for today. So today we are continuing on with recording our podcast, starting to edit those, and also conferences. Not enough of you had finished your podcast scripts, so you will be meeting with me because I need to know where you guys are today. Okay? So, re-recording your podcast. So, you were going to record your podcast, but I'm going to need you guys to re-record your podcast. I want you to listen and answer your podcasting questions. So, these are in your pages, and we'll go over your pages in just a moment. So, that's what we're doing there. You guys, for those of you that have completed your podcast, you guys are now going to be submitting your recordings to podcast completion. Your podcasts are due this week, ladies and gentlemen. No ifs, ands, or buts. They're due. Today's video is going to help you learn how to upload a finished recording to Google Classroom, and I will take you guys step by step on how to do that. Your final checklist, your podcasting pages. So, you need to have this done. Your podcasting pages, those are 3 sets. Your brainstorming ones, your script, and these last ones, which are your recording, editing, and submitting. They're all worth 20 points, and your finalized podcast is worth 40 points. In total, this is 100 points, ladies and gentlemen. So let me talk you through our podcasting pages kind of for today and moving on. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually go through the entire process of recording a podcast, but I'm going to do it through step by step. But after I cover this podcasting pages. So remember, this is where you can take your choices, where you're going to record. All you have to do is just type in one word what platform you use to record. Here, after you've re-recorded again, I want you guys to reflect on these and answer them. Once you are done, so this is really today, this is how you are going to upload and submit your podcast, all right? And I'm going to show you one way to do it, and then how you're going to upload it and everything, all right? So, let's pretend we are doing our podcast, all right? I am speaking. This is my podcast. If I make it really loud, see how it goes. I want to make it really quiet. You can barely pick up on it. So you can see the just kind of difference of the podcast. Let's pretend that this is 3 to 5 minutes because that's how long your podcasts need to be. Pause. I'm good. I'm done. I'm going to close that. That's my entire podcast right there. Remember, I left this link in your podcasting pages. This link is the online voice recorder. I like it a little bit more than Vocaroo. All I have to do is press save, and then down here at the bottom, I got to record. It's an MP3 file, which is perfect. That's what we need. So what I'm going to do is I opened up a brand new Google page, and I am going to go to my, I'm going to just go to my drive. So just my regular drive. So like the one you guys have in school, your drive, this one, see? So you're just going to head over to the drive, and then you're going to head over to this folder right here where it says new / file upload. So that new plus, you go to here, file upload. So what I have several recordings here. This is the one I just did. So I'm going to click that one, and I'm going to go over to this button right here that says open, and I am going to open it. And then you will see that down here at the bottom of the page, it will say upload is complete. And there it is, recorded online. And it's like in a little file folder. I'm not going to open it yet. You guys can. I'm not going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my Google Classroom page where it says podcast completion. Attach your audio file of your podcast and click turn in so I know you've completed this task. So you're going to go over here where it says add or create. You can, if you have a link, so if you did it and you on your phone and you uploaded it to YouTube, that's where you put the link. If you have a file on your computer, so I could get it straight from my computer if I wanted to. See, remember we went to this page? I can go right here, click in it and put open. And there's my recording. So that's one way to do it. And I will take that. It's just taking forever. See? But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add the other one too. So I go to my Google Drive that I showed you guys earlier, and then see right here where it says record online. I will go ahead and insert it. Insert. But see how it says file already attached? That's why I didn't insert it, because I already have the recording there. All right, so you have all of those different ways to record it. So Google Drive, if you upload it. A link is if you are using, for example, Vocaroo. So let me show you guys really quick, like Vocaroo. So with Vocaroo, all I have to do is press play, blah, blah, blah. I'm speaking, I'm talking. Save and share, and you see this link? I would Control-C or copy and paste, go back to our submission, and put link. Put the link in, add the link, and now I have the link, if you guys did a link, and then I also have the recording. So you guys, it's up to you which one you do. If you are doing a Drive version, make sure that it is shared with me or anyone that is SAUSD approved. So for this one, I would have to put share, and I would have to make sure right down here at the bottom, it says change to anyone with link. Instead of anyone with link, you guys will have the option where it says SAUSD. Click the SAUSD, okay? And then you put done, and now everyone has access, or I have access, and Mr. Roy will have access. And then all you have to do is click turn in, and those are my attachments, and that's it. So that's how you do it if you're doing either one of those two online sites. If you're going through YouTube, just leave me the link. Make sure anyone with SAUSD can see it. All right? All right, guys. I know you guys can do it. That's how you guys are going to submit your podcast for today. If you have any questions on editing or finishing touches, you just got to follow this. All right? I will take an MP3, MP4 file, or a link once again. All right? You guys will be working on your final reflection as you finish, so we will be working on this a little more tomorrow as well. All right, guys, I will see you guys in class.